Hi, today we are going to make red chutney. So using the Vitamix 82500, I've already sorted this on my pan. So I'm just going to tell you what all I've did it. I've took 1/2 red onion, 6 tomatoes, and 4 to 5 red chilies, salt to taste, and a pinch of hing or asafoetida powder, and a pinch of tamarind paste or tamarind soaked water. So these are the things I've sorted to take off the raw smell. So once it's kind of a juicy, and if you think the tomatoes are smashed up, so it's ready, cool it down, and then you can put it on the blender and you can mix it. So I just want to many of you are aware of this chutney, but still I want to show you using the Vitamix. I've put 6 tomatoes. Just I want to keep it for tomorrow morning breakfast as well. Doesn't get spoiled because we have added tamarind paste as well. So I've added 6. So according to your quantity, you can make tomatoes even extra, or you can even make it less. And the red chilies according to your taste, and salt of course to your taste. So we're going to start blending this. So if you have seen, I've just used the speed 5 to 6 for a few seconds, and once I've turned to 8 to 9, and if you've seen, it's become very nice and ready red chutney. Now we are going to just the next step would be like just pour some a little oil, mustard seeds, and urdu dal, and some curry leaves. Just saute, and you can just it's ready to eat.